Here we're asked to solve the equation tan 2 theta equals negative square root of 3 for the domain 0 to 2 pi. Now we did a question fairly similar to this last week using sine or cos, but now we're working more with tan. So here's another example, and we're going to use the same technique. Think of an angle, tan of something equals square root of 3. 60 degrees comes to mind, or pi over 3 radians. But it's got to be negative. So I need my unit circle, and we're in radians. So 0, pi over 2, pi, 3 pi over 2, 2 pi. And that means that we're looking for tan being negative. So we've got A, S, T, C. Tan is negative here, and tan is negative here. So our first two solutions are pi minus pi over 3 and 2 pi minus pi over 3. But that's 2 theta. And again, once we work these out and divide them by 2, they will become much smaller, so we're able to fit in another lap. Therefore, we need to go around our circle again. So this is 2 pi, now we're up to 5 pi over 2, now we're up to 3 pi, now we're up to 7 pi over 2, and 4 pi. So on the second lap, we want 3 pi minus pi over 3, and we want 4 pi minus pi over 3. 4 solutions. We haven't quite simplified them yet, but we've identified them. So we have 2 theta is pi minus pi over 3, that's 2 pi over 3. 2 pi minus pi over 3 is 5 pi over 3. 3 pi minus pi over 3 is 8 pi over 3. And 4 pi minus pi over 3 is 11 pi over 3. And the final step is to divide by 2 to give us what theta is. So divide this by 2, it will be pi over 3. Divide by this by 2, it will be 5 pi over 6. 4 pi over 3. And 11 pi over 6. There are your 4 solutions, and that's what you were asked for.